Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready Set Drone, and right here I have the brand new CineLog 35 HD that is from GEPRC. We're gonna check it out, so stay tuned. So if you're new to this channel, I hope you'll hit subscribe and you will get the notification bell so that you will get notified when we release new videos, because we do a lot of FPV, CineWhoop, and all kinds of drone stuff on this channel. So the CineLog 35 HD gives you a bigger frame than the CineLog 30 or the 25. GEPRC has come out with several different sizes of this pretty much same formula and same design as this one, but this one is a little bit bigger and it's a pusher. It allows you to mount something like a GoPro Hero 10, Hero 9, and even a Hero 8 will fit right on it. You can also mount the Insta360 GO Peanut as well as the GO2 right here with this built-on little mount on it. It uses an XT30 connector and it can use a variety of different ones. I think an 850 milliamp hour is going to be a good size one for this. It's about the right size to fit right here and stay in place. And again, really great for getting amazing shots as you're flying through gaps and cutting around, following stuff through the air, etc. It's just got a lot of versatility to it. The prop guards that are built around it are really very solid feeling. The fact that it's a pusher where it's pushing downward and the motors are mounted facing downward gives you a little bit more protection. It's also pretty easy to actually set up because you can get to both the USB-C and the micro USB ports. Now, the other nice thing about this is that you have these dampeners. They're these little rubber pieces, and in the past, these rubber pieces would sometimes pop out. They now have a screw built into them to keep the whole thing from coming out if you crash. All right, so we have the TPU mount, which looks really cool, and we had to take this little guy off in order to put it on there. But we're having a really hard time getting the Allen wrench in the right place so that we can screw this in and get the actual camera bolted back in, because when you undo it, the camera comes unbolted. So you can see the camera is currently like loose. And so what I think I'm gonna do, rather than trying to put the screws in, I think I'm just going to bolt the camera down using two of these bolts and then just zip tie the camera onto that platform instead of trying to screw it in. I think that's gonna be a better solution and be a lot easier to put on and remove. And you know, I know everybody likes my singing, so. Hey, how you doing? I'm just screwing in some screws. If you don't make them tight enough, your camera you could lose. But when I'm finished tightening these, I think we all be good. So there they are, they're in just like we thought they should. All right. So those are in, oops. Yeah, those seem to be in pretty good. And these are little speed wings, so these will make it fly faster. This is the kind of quad you'd want to use to get some really cool first-person view shots from a CineWhoop. I like it a lot. GEPRC really comes out with high quality stuff. I mean, it's already built, it's already tuned, it's already configured. There's a link below if you want to check it out. One quick note about it, it does work better with the bigger series batteries, or the fatter batteries, more of this type than this type, because of where it sits here in the strap. The fatter battery just sits in this space better than the skinnier battery does. You can make either of them work, but just FYI, if you're getting one of these things, you're going to want to consider having some of these bigger 850 batteries. Plus, with its weight, the 850 is going to give you more flight time. I'd love to hear your thoughts about GEPRC and the CineLog series that they have, including the 35. Leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Ready, Set, Drone.